Hello, welcome to the session. Our today's topic is Python. Python is a high-level, interpreted programming language that was first released in 1991. It was created by Guido van Rossum and is widely used for web development, scientific computing, data analysis, artificial intelligence, and many other applications. Python is known for its simple syntax, which makes it easy to read and write. It also has a large standard library and many third-party libraries, which make it a powerful language for many different tasks. Python's design emphasizes code readability and maintainability, making it a popular choice for large projects and collaborative development. One of the unique features of Python is its use of indentation to define blocks of code, which makes the code more readable and eliminates the need for brackets or other delimiters. Additionally, Python is an interpreted language, which means that code is executed line by line rather than compiled into machine code beforehand. Python is open source, meaning that its source code is freely available and can be modified by anyone. This has led to a large and active community of developers who contribute to the language and its ecosystem of libraries and tools. Thank you. Please like, subscribe and share the video.